I'm Job, and my life, well, it's been a journey of faith. You see, I once had it all, but then I had wealth beyond measure, a loving family, and God's favor. Life was good. My 7 sons and 3 daughters would feast together, and I'd offer sacrifices for them, just in case. But Satan challenged God, claiming my faith was only due to my blessings. And one day I lost everything, my wealth, my children, gone. Sabeans took my oxen and donkeys, fire consumed my sheep, Chaldeans stole my camels, and then a mighty wind collapsed the house where my children were feasting, all of them gone. Despite my pain, I chose to praise God. The Lord gave and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Then my health was taken too. Painful sores covered my body from head to toe. My wife told me to curse God and die, but how could I accept good from God and not trouble? I questioned God's justice, crying out in my suffering. Why me? What had I done to deserve this? My friends came to comfort me, but their words only added to my pain. They insisted I must have sinned. For days I argued with them, maintaining my innocence and faith in a Redeemer. Finally, God answered me from a whirlwind, reminding me of his power and wisdom. Who was I to question the creator of the universe? I realized my understanding was limited. I repented in dust and ashes, humbled by God's majesty and my own ignorance. I lived to see 4 generations experiencing God's goodness once again. Through it all, I learned that faith isn't about what we have, but who we trust. In plenty or in want, blessed be the name of the Lord.